So we know that when the number rolls, when the 6 rolls, take care of your come bets first, stick to base. Now we have to go back and do place bets, stick to base also. All you're going to do, and these are all the same amount, you can pick the payoff out individually, put it in the come for this first one. That's the first one, pay $7. Give it to the player, $7, same bet. Or you can say $7 and still up to win. Either one is fine. Go to the next person, $7, same bet. Next one, $7, same bet. Last one, $7, same bet. Notice they're all off the pass line and they're heeled. This is a heel, one check, the rest are leaning off it. Don't be lazy and just do that. That's just an offset. Okay, take the time for little things. Heel off all your payoffs. Now what about place bets and buy bets and all that stuff? Let's go over to the 10. We'll do a couple more places here, one here, and then there's a buy in there. Buy bets are kind of a combination of come bets and place bets. The buy bet's going to pay the true odds, just like the odds do on top of a come bet, but the buy bet's paid when we pay the place bets. So if we have come bets here, let's go ahead and pay the 10. We'll just assume everybody's going to be off and on. We'll do the come bets first. She's going to have $30 off and on. They're going to have $30 off and on. Now the buy bet's in the box just like the come bet, but it's included with the place bets and the payoff. Now we go back and we start paying the place bets. They're all going to be $9. You got $9 in debt, same bet. $9, same bet. $9, same bet. Now we got to the buy bet. $10. Go ahead and hand it off. Ask them right away, do you want to stay up on your buy bet? If they do want to stay up on the buy bet, they have to give you the commission again. Every time there's a decision on the bet, whether it's a win or loss, to have the bet again, have to repay the commission. So if it loses, obviously it goes down. The player has to give you the money back and the commission. If it wins, you can think of the commission has been used up. They have to pay it again to keep the bet active. Any questions about the order of payoff for the come bets and the place bets? They go from stick to base. So on the other side of the table, instead of going from stick to base that way, it's going to be stick to base that way. So that's why I ask you to spend equal amounts of time on the table. Yes?
How do you handle if the same player has a buy bet and a come bet?
I'm going to get to that. Do we have the payoff order done though? Is that good? Okay, let's take that question right now. Let's say he has a buy bet and he's going to have a come bet too. Okay, we got that player there, that player there. So this first guy, we're going to pay him $30 off and on. That's healed right next to there. Now he has a come bet coming on. This is going to get really crowded. So if he has a come bet coming on and he already has a buy bet, we're going to move the buy bet into the place where it would be if it were a place bet, just to get it out of the way. Okay, it doesn't change the type of bet. We're just making room. Then the come bet comes on and we go from there. Now let me go ahead and branch off here. I'm going to show you how to do down with odds. And then this will be follow the same procedure as down with odds. Let's come over here to the 5. Let's say somebody has $10 there and Regina's got a come bet coming on. 5 rolls, come bet comes on. Notice we don't have to move it out of the way because it's already in the place bet spot. This bet pays $14. Same bet. Since I see that she has a come bet, I'm going to ask her, do you want to come down with odds?
Yes.
She says yes. All we're doing, this is a courtesy we're giving to the player. It's not a requirement, but it's a courtesy and it will help you earn more tokes. How much odds would you like?
$10.
$10? This is the long way to do it. You can bring the bet in the middle, then hand her everything except for $10, then $10 becomes the odds on the come bet.
$20.
Well, if $10 is here, all you got to do is you can hand her just the payoff and just move the bet right there. We get to the same spot either way. Does everybody see that? You see how you can do that, and that's fine. All you're doing is getting the amount she wants onto the come bet. Doesn't matter where it comes from. She wants $20. That's fine. We'll keep 20. Give her the rest. Okay, let's say she wants $30. Let's say drop me $10. So drop me 10. I'll give her the 4. What I will do is I'll take all this, give it to the box person, and then grab a green and a red and set up like that. That's fine. All you're doing is coloring that up to that, so you don't have this huge stack on here, because you know the shooter is going to aim at that and knock it all over the place, and we don't want that. Any questions about off and on? I'm sorry, about coming down with odds?
No, but why did you give the 5 chips to the box person?
There were 6.
Or 6?
Because that way I don't have to worry and take, I'm going to put him 30 odds on the come bet, on the 5, he'll count that. If there's not 30 there, then we can go to her to get more, or if there's more than 30, we can give her the overage. The boxman is just verifying, and use your box person. That's fine, that's what they're there for. Now let's go back over to the 10. Principle is the same. We can come down with odds. All this is a buy bet instead of a place bet. Buy bet pays how much? $2. So $10. Do you want to come down with odds?
Yeah, for 10.
For 10? I can go ahead and bring that into the middle, take the button off, just give him the 5, then take that 10, put it right up there, or I can just go ahead and give him $5 off of there, bring this back, put it up there. Whatever way gets me $10 odds on top of there. If you're more comfortable for right now, putting everything in the come, taking out what you need, handing off the rest, go ahead and do that. As you get more proficient, you get more comfortable with these moves, you'll go, God, why'd I ever do that? I'm just going to get what I need to add to that and put it on there, and off we go.